In last class, we discussed about discount. Now we'll be discussing what is trade discount and what is cash discount. Okay. So basically, what is the difference between trade discount and cash discount? The first thing is trade discount. Now, trade discount is provided by the seller at the time of purchase to attract customer and increase sales. Okay. So it is provided when you are going to buy something so that the particular provider may increase his sale. Okay. More specifically, we can say that the seller are interested in those customers who are interested in buying bulk quantities. So whoever are buying in bulk, they are going to give them particular discount so that they can increase their sales. Okay. Now, since it is offered at the time of purchase, it is included in the transaction before the buying statement is printed. So before buying statement is printed, before the invoice is printed, it will be included in the transaction, that is trade discount, okay, which is specifically offered when you are going to buy some quantities, buy particular product in bulk. Okay. On the other hand, we have cash discount. And what is cash discount? Cash discount is offered at the time when the seller's offer payment and is calculated as an additional deduction on the printed invoice. So, trade discount is offered if you are buying particular item in bulk in order to increase his sales. Provider is going to offer trade discount. Whereas on other hand, what is cash discount? Cash discount is offered at the time of payment. For example, suppose you are going to pay particular amount in 30 days and suppose seller wants to get that payment within 15 days or within 10 days, he is going to offer additional discount so that you can make the payment early than the liable period. That is called as the cash discount. Okay. So it is offered subject to certain condition which incentivize the buyer to make the large part of the payment upfront and pay remaining installment as soon as possible. So cash discount is basically offered so that provider can get his payment as soon as possible from the buyer. Okay. Now let's look at this example. Now here consider a tractor maker. So we have a tractor maker XYZ and ABC is a firm who buys the tractor from them. So XYZ is a provider. Okay. They are making tractors wherein ABC is a firm who buys tractor from XYZ. Okay. With a price of each tractor being 5 lakh. So price of each tractor is given as 5 lakh. Assuming ABC buys 50 tractors in total as a part of an annual contract and XYZ offers a trade discount of 10% to ABC. So how many tractors ABC is buying? ABC is buying total 50 tractors as a part of annual contract. Okay. Now since he is buying in bulk, he is buying 50 tractors, this XYZ is giving him trade discount of 10%. So we have to find the total amount this ABC is going to pay XYZ. Now what is the price of a tractor? Price of each tractor is 5 lakh. Right? And how many tractors ABC is buying? ABC is buying total 50 tractors. So what will be the total amount he has to pay? Total amount is going to be 5 lakh into 50, which is total amount he has to, this ABC has to pay is 2 crores 50 lakhs. Yeah, 2 crore 50 lakhs. Fine. But since he is buying in bulk, this XYZ is offering him trade discount of 10%. So XYZ is offering trade discount of 10%. So let's calculate trade discount. It is on 2 crore 50 lakhs. He is offering discount of 10%. So it is 10 by 100. Okay. Then, so it is 2 lakh. So it is 25 lakh. Right. So he is getting trade discount of 25 lakh on the purchase of 50 tractors, whose total is 2 crores 50 lakhs. Right. Now, what will be his total? How much he has to pay? He has to pay now. ABC has to pay 2 crore 50 lakhs minus this 25 lakh. So instead of 2 crores 50 lakh, he has to pay now 2 crores 25 lakhs, since he is getting trade discount of 25 lakh. So this is the discount he is getting since he is buying tractors in bulk. Okay. Now this ABC, who has to pay 2 crore 25 lakh to XYZ, he is liable to pay this payment in 90 days. Okay. Now assume that XYZ, in an effort to get payment early, offers an additional discount of 3% to ABC if it makes this payment in 30 days. So what this XYZ is doing? Actually, this ABC, who has to pay ABC has to pay total 2 crore 25 lakhs to XYZ in 90 days. So the period given to ABC is 90 days. But this XYZ, who is the provider, he wants to get his money within 30 days. So in order to get his money sooner than the liable period, he is providing ABC additional discount of 3%. So he is giving this ABC additional discount, it is cash discount of 3%, so that he can get his money within 30 days instead of 90 days. So ABC is getting additional discount of 3%. So 3% on this 2 crore 25 lakh. So now he has to pay, the total of ABC is going to be 2 crore 25 lakh minus the 3% discount. So let's calculate this 3% discount first. What will be his cash discount? Cash discount is 3% on 2 crore 25 lakhs. It's 25, 3%, which is 6,75,000. Okay, so he is getting additional discount of 6,75,000, so that he can pay his total amount within 30 days instead of 90 days. So how much he has to pay now? He has to pay now 2 crore 25 lakhs minus this 6,75,000. So now he has to pay, instead of 2 crore 25 lakhs, 2 crore 18 lakhs 25,000. Okay. So now the payment ABC has to make is 2 crore 18 lakh and 25,000. So originally his total payment was, he was supposed to pay 2 crore 50 lakhs. Okay, now on 2 crore 50 lakhs he is getting trade discount since he is buying in bulk, that is 10%. So instead of 2 crore 50 lakh, now he has to pay 2 crore 25 lakhs. Okay, within 90 days. But since the producer, that XYZ, they are interested in getting their money early than the liable period, that is within 30 days and not in 90 days. Okay, they are additionally providing them discount of 3%, that is cash discount. And since they are giving them cash discount of 3%, instead of now 2 crore 25 lakh, they have to pay, that ABC have to pay 2 crore 18 lakh 25,000. So he is getting cash discount of 3% and trade discount of 10%.